Want to boost your AdSense earnings? Of course you do. The key lies in understanding one crucial metric: click-through rate, or CTR. A higher CTR means more clicks on your ads, leading to increased revenue. It's that simple. In this essay, we'll explore proven strategies to skyrocket your CTR and unlock your AdSense potential. Get ready to transform those ads into money-making machines. Many publishers focus solely on traffic, but CTR optimization is equally important. Imagine having 1,000 visitors with a 1% CTR, earning you $10. Now picture the same traffic with a 3% CTR. Your earnings triple to $30. That's the power of CTR optimization. By implementing the right strategies, you can significantly increase your earnings without increasing your traffic. This isn't about tricks or shortcuts. It's about understanding your audience and presenting them with ads that resonate. We'll delve into practical tips like strategic ad placement, eye-catching ad design, and content relevance. These strategies are easy to implement even for beginners. Get ready to transform your AdSense performance. Let's dive into the world of CTR optimization and watch your earnings soar. Think of your website as a bustling city and your ads as billboards vying for attention. Placement is everything. Strategic ad placement ensures your ads are seen by the right people at the right time, maximizing their impact. The most effective ad placements are often those that naturally blend into your content. Consider placing ads above the fold, within your content, or below your articles. These high-visibility areas grab readers' attention without disrupting their flow. Experiment with different placements to find what works best for your website and audience. A common mistake is overwhelming visitors with too many ads. This can lead to banner blindness, where users subconsciously ignore ads altogether. Instead, prioritize quality over quantity. Focus on a few strategically placed ads that deliver maximum impact. Remember, ad placement is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one website might not work for another. The key is to analyze your website's layout, user behavior, and content to determine the most effective ad placements. By treating your website like prime real estate, you can ensure your ads secure the attention they deserve. In the online world, first impressions matter. Eye-catching ads are crucial to capturing your audience's attention and enticing them to click. Think of your ads as mini billboards. They need to be visually appealing and communicate their message effectively. Experiment with different ad formats, colors, and fonts to create ads that stand out. Use contrasting colors to make your ads pop against your website's background. Choose fonts that are both legible and visually appealing. Remember, clarity is key. Ensure your ad copy is concise, compelling, and easy to read. High-quality images can significantly boost your CTR. Use relevant images that are visually appealing and complement your ad copy. For instance, if you're promoting travel deals, use stunning images of exotic destinations to entice clicks. Images evoke emotions and create a stronger connection with your audience. Don't be afraid to get creative with your ad designs. Test different variations to see what resonates best with your audience. Consider using A/B testing to compare different designs and identify the most effective elements. By crafting visually appealing and engaging ads, you can significantly increase your chances of attracting clicks. Content is king. Aligning ads with reader interests. Ever notice how irrelevant ads seem to follow you around the internet? That's because many websites prioritize revenue over user experience. Don't fall into this trap. The key to high CTRs lies in aligning your ads with your content and your audience's interests. When your ads are relevant to the content your readers are already engaged with, they're more likely to click. If you're writing about gardening, for example, display ads related to gardening tools, plants, or landscaping services. This ensures your ads are seen as helpful resources rather than intrusive interruptions. Targeted advertising is essential for maximizing CTR. By understanding your audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior, you can display ads that are tailored to their needs and preferences. Utilize Google Analytics to gain insights into your audience and refine your ad targeting strategies. Remember, content is king and relevance is queen. By creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience and aligning your ads accordingly, you'll create a win-win situation for both you and your advertisers. Your readers will appreciate the value you provide, and your CTR will reflect their engagement. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. The importance of A/B testing. You've implemented strategic ad placements, designed eye-catching ads, and aligned them with your content. Now what? It's time to put your efforts to the test with A/B testing. A/B testing is a simple yet powerful technique that involves comparing two versions of an ad element to see which performs better. For instance, you could test two different headlines, images, or calls to action to see which one generates more clicks. This data-driven approach allows you to continually optimize your ads for maximum performance. Don't be afraid to test even the smallest elements of your ads. Sometimes, a simple change in wording or button color can significantly impact your CTR. The key is to test one element at a time to isolate the impact of each change. Remember, A/B testing is an ongoing process. As your audience evolves and your content changes, so should your ad optimization strategies. By embracing a culture of experimentation and data analysis, you can ensure your ads are always performing at their peak potential. Conclusion: your journey to AdSense success. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and strategies to boost your AdSense earnings through CTR optimization. Remember, it's not about overnight miracles, it's about consistent effort and a commitment to understanding your audience. Start by implementing 1 or 2 strategies at a time and track your progress closely. As you become more comfortable, experiment with different approaches and analyze the results. Don't be afraid to try new things and learn from your mistakes. The world of online advertising is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed about the latest trends and best practices. By continuously learning and adapting, you can stay ahead of the curve and maximize your AdSense revenue potential. Now go forth and conquer the world of CTR optimization.